Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the half double crochet stitch. It is very easy to make. It is one of the basic crochet stitches and it gives you a beautiful texture on both sides of the fabric. So to get started in the row, we're just going to chain one and then we're going to wrap the yarn over the hook and we're going to insert it in the very first stitch here. Wrap the yarn over again and pull through, and we have 3 loops on the hook. I'm going to wrap the yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. And that's our first half double crochet. So once again, wrap the yarn over the hook. We're going to go into the next stitch, wrap the yarn over the hook and pull through. Got 3 loops on the hook. Wrap the yarn over and pull through all 3 loops.